All right. The question of the day: could P. Diddy save money if he joined Save Club? You know, Save Club's only been around a month, and he's been locked up for what, about a year? And I think it's Brooklyn. And now every single time I'm online or trying to flip through the boob tube, it's all P. Diddy did this, and man, he was spanking that and hiring people to do this. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh my God, he had 45 million gallons of baby oil. And I was thinking, God, he could have saved probably a lot of money if Save Club would have been around, well, 20 years ago. Okay, he could have went to saveclub.com, just went into the My Deals section, and he could have searched for baby oil. Should we search real quick to see if P. Diddy could have saved now, as I speak, May 20th? All right, let's look, okay? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first promote joining Save Club, okay? So if you don't mind, go to ilovesaveclub.com. I want you to join. Okay, we'll talk about the funnel system at the end of the video, okay? But anyway, I'm having a good time with this Save Club, okay? Got 5 people pre-enrolled already through the funnel. Looks like I've had 3 upgrades just over the last couple days. I got 1 or 2 more coming in tonight. I just had some people email me. So, yeah, I think I'll get 4 upgrades today. So, thank you, funnel. Okay, but let's go look for some deals. Let's see if we can get baby oil. Okay, so what I did is I logged in to my Save Club, back office, and then see where it says My Deals. You just click that, and then since I live in Salt Lake City, I just did a random zip code, 84120. Okay, so Salt Lake City. Let's put in baby oil. Let's just see if P. Diddy could get a deal on some baby oil. Okay, let's see. Okay, no results for baby oil. Okay, how about, I'm trying to think, what would baby oil be under? Like baby accessories? Man, I don't know what to put. I don't even know how to spell ass. I was putting baby, let's see, let's put in baby ass. Okay, it looks like there's no results for baby ass or baby oil. So how about baby products? Okay, there's got to be some baby products. Okay, there's Owlet Baby Care, The Honest Company, well, Sears, California Baby, all right, Quince, Carter's. Look at that. I'm sure they sell baby oil, okay, and probably baby wipes. I love to wipe with baby wipes. Every time I go number 2, man, I'll tell you, my favorite brand is Huggies, Cucumber Aloe Vera. Okay, so there we go, guys. Put in baby products. And here just in Salt Lake City of P. Daddy, or P. Diddy, who's your daddy? That's can you imagine P. Diddy? He's now in a cell. He's used to like $1 million yachts and $1 million lifestyle. Now he's locked up in a cell that's probably 6 by 9. And there's a guy named Bubba going, who's your daddy? And P. Diddy goes, you? And then he goes, hey, do you have any baby oil? And P. Diddy goes, no. And I couldn't get it for a discount either because Save Club wasn't invented until about 30 days ago. So if you're in Salt Lake City, go to Owlet Baby Care, The Honest Company, Sears. You know what's in here, though, no kidding. Have you ever heard of this store called Walmart? Okay, you probably have, right? Look at this, guys. Walmart online, anywhere from 0 to 65% savings. All right, there's so many deals with Walmart. It's one of the biggest, I would say, success stories ever, let alone just in America. Okay, billions and billions and billions are made every month with Walmart. All right, so anyway, if you want free unlimited delivery when you start your free trial, use the coupon, flash pickups. All right, that's just where you just go online to walmart.com and you want something picked up. Like, I don't know, just pick up like 200 gallons of baby oil. All right, why not get 65% off? All right, you got to save on that baby oil. Otherwise, you're going to be broke, and then you might do weird stuff like P. Diddy. And then you'll be in Brooklyn with a guy going, who's your daddy? And you'll go, I guess you, because P. Diddy, he said the same thing. So, okay, guys. This is probably my worst video, and I don't care. It's my YouTube channel, okay? And I want you to join me anyway. And then we can order baby oil together and just think of P. Diddy as his ass is going to be locked up a good long time, according to the news and what I've seen online. So, all right, I love saveclub.com. If you guys go there, just go ahead and do this. Watch this video. Okay, this is our this is our founder, Charles. He's a little different than me. He'd probably be ashamed of me if he watched this video. But anyway, watch Charles talk for about 6 minutes here. Put your information right below, okay? And hit that orange button. You're going to get an email, okay, just directly from Save Club. Open it up. You can join right away. Get your username, password, and get a hold of me. I'll help you configure your back office, okay? Because when you're there, you want to go and just go through all these tabs here, my deals. And, and I think I showed you that just earlier. Just go and dream of what you want to save on. Tires, mattresses, baby oil, food, hotel. All right, look up Brooklyn jail. See if you can fly there and drive by and go, man, that must suck for you, bub. I almost said Bo Daddy. go Daddy. Piff Diddy, or I don't know what his name is now. Wasn't it Puff Daddy? And then Sean Fork, or I forgot his name. That poor kid. That poor guy. Anyway, if you have fun just screwing off, see, you can be kind of a weirdo like myself and maybe be in the top 10 in the whole company. Look at that. Right now I'm rocking number 9. All right, I have a lot of fun. And if you need to know everything about the pay plan, the opportunity, this is where I'm going to show you something. Okay? I want you to seriously go to this right here, right below. SaveClubFunnels.com. Okay, the video is 20 minutes long. It's going to describe Save Club in massive detail, but also the comp plan. I want you guys comfortable knowing if you're going to put in a couple hours a day screwing off, having fun like I do, that you can make money. Okay, I want you to know you can earn money. Absolutely. There's no reason why that you can't. And that is my opinion. Disclaimer, disclaimer. I can't guarantee nothing, but I'll tell you what, with proper training and pictures and just awesome videos already made. Guys, did you hear that? They're already made. It's done for you. Okay? All you got to do is just get good at uploading on TikTok, upload on Facebook, on, let's see, Instagram. You pick your poison. All right? Upload our content already made for you, and then just get real good at putting your own link. In my case, I put ilovesaveclub.com, or below you can see saveclubfunnels.com. That's all I do all day. I just post my links all over the place. YouTube especially and Facebook are my favorite. And you can go to my Facebook page and see what I do. Okay, I just have a little comment. I'll make a video like on YouTube and I'll just post a link to it on Facebook. And then of course on Instagram I'll do the same thing. All right, maybe a 10-second, 15-second video saying, guys, do you want to save money on baby oil like Puff Daddy? Then go to ilovesaveclub.com. Okay, or Puff the Magic Dragon Daddy, whatever his name is. I don't think it's going to be P. Diddy. It's going to be P.U. Who's your daddy? That's because he's going to have a hard time walking if he keeps in that Brooklyn jail any longer. He's going to have to buy wet naps, baby wipes, and probably some adult diapers. Okay, but anyway, good luck to you, P. Diddy. But, oh man, that guy's in a lot of trouble. But you're not. Okay, you're watching my videos, you can join, you can save on things that you're already buying, okay, and right from there, oh, I got tree, listen, yep, I got some birds outside. I'm at a beach house right now. You can hear the ocean in the background, can't you? Yeah, listen to those waves. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right, guys, thanks. I'm going to end this in less than 10 minutes, and that is a darn miracle when you watch my videos. They're always about 12 minutes. So, all right, there's my links on the screen. Please check it out. All right, I think you're going to have a good time in Save Club. You're going to save money, and I'm going to show you how to earn money too. All right, guys, take care, and get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. You guys know. Okay, peace and love, guys. We'll talk to you next video. Thanks.